Austin here from AW Services. Today I have quite a big job on, a vehicle electrical wiring job. Just a very quick video on what I'm using, etc. So the video will be based, and the work is fault finding, excess wire removing from auxiliary circuits. So a lot of work. Got my tool caddy with all my electrical tools in there, screwdrivers, cutters, shears, long nose pliers, insulation tape, labels for marking wires, and then there I've got a homemade AW Services electrical continuity tester that I made with a buzzer and a light when you've completed a circuit. I've also got my multimeter for checking resistance. I've also got my clamp meter for reading current draw voltage as well. AW power supply to power my fault finding probe, which is basically it's a probe where you can add plus or minus volts to an object and determine whether it works. Manfrotto super clamp for fixing a camera. My short tripod that I built from many other parts with a magnetic GoPro mount on there. But yeah, wait and see the video. It's a lot of work and a lot of tools to do the job. Thanks for watching AW Services.